I found a key to wipe everything off your credit report in the next 14 days. Listen, I spent years working alongside with attorneys, credit professionals, even insiders in Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. We've uncovered strategies that actually work today to delete negative items off your credit report. Listen, you can't just send one dispute letter and expect your score to increase. In fact, there's a simple formula that forces credit reporting agencies to delete the negative items off of your credit report. And it's so powerful that most credit experts only give out this high-level information at high-level masterminds, which I've attended. It's no surprise if you understand the credit game, you can get results like this.
Fam, if you having any issues with your credit, man, go check in with my boy Joshua Rico, man. Him and his credit repair company put me right back in the game. Had some issues with a bankruptcy, removed. Holla at my boy Joshua Rico.
Most people are waking up with scores under 700, but once you understand and fix it, you'll be able to get the deletions off your credit report and boost your score fast. So stay till the end. There is a secret formula that we use in our company to this day to get results like this, or even like this. Information changes situations. How do I know this works? Well, listen, I'm a man that likes to show proof, right? There's a lot of people out there on the internet that say they fix credit, but where's the proof? I'm gonna let my clients speak for me. My clients have trusted our company and my team to carry out these methods. Over here at Approve Repair, we don't talk about it, we act about it. Take a look at what our client had to say about how we use this same method to get results like this. Check it out.
Hey, y'all. But I just checked my credit score, bro. Like, that man, Joshua Rico, bro, that man is the best, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Like, man, I had so many negative remarks on my report, bro. Like, but him and his team, bro, got it off, like, gone, bro. And my credit score went from a 508 to 708, bro, in 2 months. 2 months, bro, 2 months. It's crazy, bro. Damn, their team is so awesome, bro. Like, anything you need help with anything, bro, like, they got you, bro. Trust me, they got you. Like, it's crazy, man. Like, I couldn't believe it because I've been trying to find people so long, bro. Like, they give me the run around. But you go to him and his team get straight to work. They don't play, bro. They get straight to where they call you, answer all my phone calls, answer all my questions, bro. Like, anything, bro. They answer everything, bro. But get out of though, bro. I'm telling you, bro, he's the best, bro. Him and his team, the best.
So I get it. You're probably wondering, oh, is he a paid actor? Or do you have any more? Listen, we have the most results in the industry, hands down. Don't believe me? Take a look at another one.
Hi, my name is Haley, and recently I started working with Josh Rico and his credit repair company to build my credit in hopes of possibly buying a home in the near future. It's been about 3 months and my score is up over 200 points from where I started from. So anyone who's looking, you guys should definitely give them a try. I'm amazed at how quickly it worked and how affordable it was.
So now that you see that this actually works, I don't care if you have a bankruptcy, collection, late payment, charge off, tax lien, student loan, judgment, inquiries, repo, you name it, we have got items deleted off their credit report using this same exact method. So you're asking, what's the key, Rico? Well, remember when I said that you're protected by laws? The credit reporting agencies are governed by laws? That's what we're going to talk about today. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA 15 USC 1681. Now you can go to ftc.gov to grab a free copy of this book, or you can go to Google. I'm going to give you these laws that work in getting these negative items deleted off your credit report in just 14 days. Let's focus on the word accuracy. This is how my lawyers that I'm partnered with are getting these settlements for their clients, are getting these negative items deleted in court for their clients. And you can too, if you pay attention to what I'm about to show you. Again, the credit bureaus, AKA the credit reporting agencies, they're actually not bureaus, they're for-profit companies. If you keep that in mind, you have more leverage and you understand more of what I'm saying. But anyways, that's another subject. Let's go further. They have to abide by these laws or they can catch lawsuits, and you are protected by these laws. So remember, accuracy is one of the biggest ones to get items deleted off your credit report. So pay close attention. If you don't have the book, go to Google and type in 15 space USC space 1681E and press enter. You're going to see the top link, Cornell Law School. Click that. You're going to scroll down to where it says B, parentheses B. This is just one of the laws and the major law that we're going to use to delete these negative items off your credit report. Let's dive in. It says accuracy of report. Whenever a consumer reporting agency prepares a consumer report, it shall follow reasonable procedures to assure maximum possible accuracy of the information concerning the individual about whom the report relates. I like to break words down. It says Consumer Reporting Agency. Who's the Consumer Reporting Agency? Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, right? Consumer Report, you have those, or you should have those. And it says it shall, not should, it shall, will do, has to, okay? Follow reasonable procedures to assure maximum possible accuracy. Let me ask you, is 99.9 maximum possible accuracy? Last time I checked, 100% is maximum possible accuracy, right? So let me ask you this. If you have a misspelled name or duplicate name or an inaccurate name on your credit report, is that maximum possible accuracy? Oh, wait. No, right? How about if a balance is incorrect or a date is incorrect reporting balance or the amount is incorrect? Is that maximum possible accuracy? No. So now that you know that, I want to make this clear. This video is an action-taking video. Literally, you can pause the video, take action, and get results. So here's what I want you to do. Listen carefully. The people who follow instructions are usually the most successful people in life. I'm just being honest. So if you're watching this right now, this is what I want you to do. Pause this video, click the link in the comments, sign up for the $1 trial to pull your credit reports and check to see if there's any inaccuracies or negative items that's stopping you from achieving your financial goal. You're going to want to copy and paste the account name and account number. You're going to use this for later on in the video. Now, let's go over the laws in depth. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a lawyer, but it doesn't mean I can't read and do what the lawyers do, right? So if you want, you can consult with a lawyer. I'm just saying this is what's working real time right now for our clients, and you could use this video to get yourself results without sending any letters from the comfort of your own home. Here's the next law we're going to use. 15 USC 1681S-2. Scroll down to where it says A, parentheses A, it says reporting information with actual knowledge of errors. A person shall not furnish any information relating to a consumer to any consumer reporting agency if the person knows or has reasonable cause to believe that the information is inaccurate. Parentheses B, let's read it. Reporting information after notice and confirmation of errors. A person shall not furnish information related to a consumer to any consumer reporting agency if, parentheses I, the person has been notified by the consumer at the address specified by the person for such notices. That specific information is inaccurate. And double I, the information is in fact accurate. So I'm pretty sure that you sent letters, right? I'm pretty sure that you already disputed this with either other companies or yourself and you haven't gotten results. Well, check this out. If you combine the first law, this law, and the next one I'm about to give you, it's going to finish them. Let's go. 15 USC 1681 I-5. It says treatment of inaccurate or unverifiable information. A, in general, if after any reinvestigation under paragraph 1 of any information disputed by a consumer, an item of the information is found to be inaccurate or incomplete or cannot be verified, the consumer reporting agency shall I promptly delete that item of information from the file or of the consumer or modify that item of the information as appropriate based on the result of the reinvestigation and promptly notify the furnisher of the information that the information has been modified or deleted from the file of the consumer. See, guys, that's what they're supposed to do. So now that we got these three laws, right, which they're governed by and you're protected by, I'm about to show you the process, step by step, over the shoulder, sharing my screen on how to actually go to the website, fill out some information, click, and send it without sending any letters. Hey guys, Joshua Rico here, CEO and founder of Approve Repair. Listen, me and my team have been getting results for years. We have the most results in the industry. Now, if you're looking at this video and you don't have the time or have the effort or want to do this, all you have to do is click the link below in the description and you can hire us to do this for you. Now, again, credit repair is not an overnight process. There's no set date for credit repair. There's no guarantees in credit repair because it's illegal according to the FTC. However, we can guarantee you this. If we do not delete at least one negative item off any of the credit reported agencies in 6 months, we gladly refund you your money and we still help you until we get the results because that's the type of people we are. My team is the best at communication, customer service, and most of all, we lead by results. So if you're interested, text repair to 951-400-4352. Or click the link in the description to get the limited time only special pricing. Let's go. You're going to create an account if you don't have an account already. This is what it's going to look like. Okay. So you're going to start a new complaint. I'm going to have my notes here. Okay. So I already submitted a complaint if you do have one already. Okay. So we're gonna log in here. Now, let's go down. Let's go down to where we say start a new complaint, okay? To start a new complaint right here, you're gonna scroll down. It's gonna look like this, okay? Submit a complaint, okay? Now, you're going to type where it says, or not type, you're going to click credit reporting or other personal consumer reports, okay? And then you're gonna click credit reporting again, okay? Then you're gonna click next because we're talking about the credit reports here. Now, what type of problem are you having? You're going to click improper use of your credit report, share without consent, credit increase from unknown sources, etc. Okay? Which best describes your problem? Okay, which are we going to improve? Reporting company used your report improperly? That's the one you're going to choose. Now, have you already tried to fix this problem? You can choose either or. Yes, typically is what we find. People have tried to fix this problem with other credit repair companies, or they tried to do it themselves. You can click yes. Did you request information from the company? If you can click no, but if you click yes, is what's going to happen. What information did you request? Did you request a documentation? Did you request a deletion? You could put that in there. And did this company provide that information for you? You say no, etc. Okay. Now let's keep going. This is the most important part of this step, right? Describe what happened. You want to go in grave detail of what happened with this account. And you're going to do one by one. Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Now, I have something here typed up already. You can just copy and paste. You can see it in the description below, and you'll see what to type up. You can really copy and paste, okay? So it says, include dates, amounts, and actions that were taken by you or the company. Do not include personal information, such as your name, account number, address, social security number. I disagree. I like to put the account name and the account number. Okay. So for example, you can put, let's say, first of all, you were supposed to pause the video and obtain your credit reports. If you haven't done so, again, paying attention and carrying out those instructions are very important. Click the link below so you can obtain those credit reports for only $1 per hour. You have to do it. All right. So let's keep going. So account name will go here. The account number. Here's a quick tip that nobody shares in the credit repair industry as well is if you ever see your account number 123 and then it says XXXX, that is also inaccurate as well. Right. Even though they might say, well, we do it for your protection. Wait a minute. It's my report. What do you mean for my protection? That's inaccurate. You can't verify that, etc. Okay. You're going to put this in the copy and paste description. Remember this. So let's go over it. You got to list the accounts that they violated, okay? List the accounts that they violated. And we already talked about the laws we input in here as well. So maximum possible accuracy, those laws, etc. Now that we have the description, what would be a fair resolution to this? A fair resolution would be to delete the inaccurate, unverifiable information that I gave on my credit report. Okay, that's it. All right. Now you can attach screenshots of the inaccuracies. You can actually circle, print out the credit reports and circle in red, initial it, the inaccuracies, screenshots, etc., or the correspondence between each. And then all you're going to do is click next. What company is this complaint about? So, for example, we'll go Experian, right here, Information Solutions Inc. or what have you. Boom. You're going to put your social, date of birth, last four through here. Name appears on the credit report. Do you want to complain about another company? No, because what you're going to do is you're going to submit one by one. So once you submit this, next, obviously I haven't filled this out, but that's what it's going to ask. You're going to fill this out one by one. Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Hell, you can even do other credit reporting agencies such as LexisNexis, Sage, Credit CoreLogic, Innovis, etc. And that's how you basically dispute without sending any letters, guys. Okay, so I hope that helped. And that's it. You're done. Now, give it some time. Another tip is if the submit complaint is not working online, you can call them and file your dispute and or send physical letter certified mail to CFPB. Not a lot of people are sharing that in the credit repair industry. Awesome. So now you guys seen the over-the-shoulder step-by-step on how to basically get these negative items deleted off your credit report in less than 14 days without sending any physical letters from the comfort of your own home. Now, again, if you don't want to do this yourself, you can simply click the link below, book a call with our team. We can do it for you. But if you did like what you saw, if you found this information valuable, like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell notification, because if you like these videos like this, I'm gonna be coming out with more, okay? Follow me on my socials, connect with me, and listen, what I want to hear from you is this. If this video brought you value and you took action and you got a result, comment below how fast it took, what the outcome was. If you're open to it, I'd like to interview you, or you can send a testimonial video at info@approverepair.com, and you can send us a Google Doc or a Google Drive video or a Dropbox or just a recorded video from your phone to show how we actually helped you get the result. All right, here's what I want you to do. This video right here is going to show you even more credit secret hacks that you wish you knew earlier. All right, so click this video right here, subscribe, like the channel to find more gems on how to delete negative items off your credit report. Let's go.